Say hi, everybody. Hey, Gibbs.
Oh, here comes the Switzers. Swing it, baby, swing it. Swish, 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 swish. Swish, swish.
On this 22nd of March, 2019. Home of the baddest Mustang ever built. The 2006 GT modded.
We're in a Jeep.
Also known as the Fun GT, but right now we're in a Jeep, a 2017 very purple Jeep Wrangler 4-door. We're free. Are you gonna do your interior?
I'd like to, but...
Or where are you going?
Well, they have the little dry rags over here.
Where?
Actually, they're all the way up by the office, unfortunately. But that's okay. Because they're right there.
Actually, it doesn't look all that clean, Goober.
No, it doesn't.
Vending in tokens, and then we have the office. And then we have my wife, Sam Neoham. I think she's not happy about the cleanliness of the Jeep. What do you think, Gibbsy? This here's Gibbs. He's an awesome doggy. Okay, well, yeah, I'm sure you're bored by now, but this is going to go on YouTube.